Do you want to access premium AI models like GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini for free? In this video, I'll show you how to test multiple advanced models for free and even earn real money by giving feedback. The platform that makes this possible is called Yupp.ai. To start, just search for it on Google and click the first result. Once you're on the site, to use Yupp.ai, you need to sign up with your Google account. I'll log in with my account to show you. Once logged in, you can enter a prompt in the input bar. For example, I ask, what are the pros and cons of remote work? Yupp.ai automatically selects two models to respond to my prompt. In my case, the selected models are Perplexity Sonar Pro and GPT 4.1 Mini. Next, you provide feedback on the responses. I preferred GPT 4.1 Mini because it was more accurate and faster. After submitting the feedback, you need to scratch this one to earn credits. These credits can be converted into money, according to what I've heard, but I'll investigate further and make a dedicated video to confirm. After this first prompt, you can continue using the platform and enter as many prompts as you want. You can also choose which AI models you want to test. Yupp.ai offers different types of models: reasoning models, fast models, image generators, and even free premium models. For example, I'll ask to generate an illustration of a futuristic landscape. Yupp.ai gives me two images. I have to choose which one is better, explain why, and also why the other is worse. After this second feedback, I earn more credits. Yupp.ai also has a leaderboard page. There are over 700 AI models with detailed statistics and information for each. Before wrapping up, I'll show one last example: generating code. The process is the same: enter the prompt, receive responses, give feedback, and earn credits. That's the end of the video. If this content was useful, click like and subscribe. And if you have suggestions for other AI videos, please leave them in the comments.